Hey you guys, welcome back to another cooking video with Mesha's Corner. Y'all, I've been gone for a little second. I'm not back, but I'm just popping up with a little chicken wing recipe today. So let's get started. I'm gonna season these chicken wings with this Private Selection Bold Poultry seasoning. Unfortunately, when I was trying to open it, I ripped off the top, but it's Bold Poultry seasoning by Private Selections. Got that out of Kroger. Y'all know I love my Kroger. All I'm using on here is this, just to season it. These are basically honey garlic wings. You want to season these really well. And with these nails, you know, I'm not trying to do too much because, you know, I don't know how you guys function, but I'm making it happen. Mix this up and allow it to marinate. Alright, so this is what you end up with, and this is what it looks like, nice and pretty. Make sure you guys put enough. This was about 2 pounds of chicken wings, and I put about 3 or 4 heaping tablespoons of that spice. You want to season it really well. If you don't have that spice, just use salt and pepper. Alright, in the skillet here, I have a whole bulb of garlic, a whole head of garlic chopped up. You want to add a tiny bit of salt. You also have some butter down in there, some pepper. These wings are so easy, it's stupid. You're going to take your honey. I'm using, my mother actually brought me this when she came here for my wedding. This raw unfiltered honey, this is what I'm using. But of course, you can use the honey you can get your hands on. You know? And you want to put about a cup. It's a lot of wings, so I have to really get it down in there. Alright you guys, I'm going to pop this into a 400-degree oven until my wings are nice and golden and cooked through. Then we're going to baste it with the honey garlic sauce. Here, I already have the stove on, that's why you see that little smoke. You're just going to heat this up for about 3 minutes, and that's it. Alright y'all, so these are what my wings look like. Don't forget you can also fry them if you choose to do so, but I chose not to. I chose to bake them. You just want to drizzle on a little bit on there because as you put it back in the oven, it's going to loosen back up. What happened is I simmered mine for 3 minutes and let it sit there until the wings were done, so it, you know, it congealed back together, so it's easier to spread. Once you put it back in the oven, they're going to get even more golden and delicious. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. You can eat this with whatever. But I'm eating mine with some breadfruit that my mom brought for me from New Jersey when she came for my wedding. So that's what I'll be eating with it. But you can eat vegetables, rice, pasta, whatever you want with your chicken. And this is what the breadfruit looks like. I'm frying it in coconut oil. And that's going to be my side for my chicken. Alright you guys, so these are what my wings look like. They're nice and golden. Not overcooked. Honey is not burnt. What you don't want to do is burn your honey or your garlic. And yeah, they're perfectly cooked inside and out. This is what the sauce looks like down in here, and that's also included with the chicken juices. It's just so delicious, guys. So simple. I hope you guys give it a try. This is my breadfruit. And I sprinkled a little salt on there. Optional. Like I said, you can eat that with rice. And yep, I hope I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.